Hi guys, welcome back to the Coil Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on Pattern Beauty products. Yes, the Tracy Ellis Ross hair care products. You're going to see me use them, hear my thoughts, and basically get a South African perspective on the products. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway here on YouTube, Instagram, as well as on Facebook. Please watch until the end of the video. All the details on the giveaway will be at the end of the video. You're going to see me apply this as well as hear my thoughts. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in the giveaway. Also follow me on Facebook as well as Instagram, because I'm going to be giving away different types of pattern products on each platform. But before we get into all of that, as I said, subscribe, follow, like. Let's get this video started. I started off my wash day with the shampoo. This is the Hydration Shampoo that gently cleanses as well as hydrates, and this is for curlies, coilies, as well as tight textures, and it says you can use it when your hair needs a nourishing cleanse. It's paraben free, it's color safe, it's phthalate free, it's free from Cyclic Silicones. I'm going to put all of that in the description box down below. When it comes to directions, it says that you must massage vigorously into the scalp and wet hair. Add more water as needed to work the product throughout the hair, and rinse thoroughly and wash a second time as desired, and follow up with your favorite pattern conditioner. This was an okay shampoo. I found that it lathered up a lot, which if you're somebody who likes, lather, you're really gonna like this. It gave a good cleanse. I can't complain about that. It rinsed off very nicely, and my hair did feel hydrated afterwards. After washing my hair, it was time to condition. Now there are two conditioners in the pattern line. You have one which is a heavy conditioner for coilies, and then you also have an intensive conditioner for tight textures. I bought both because I was like, I don't know which to buy, and what I did was I used each one on either side of my hair so that I could see how it works and which conditioner is basically for my type of hair. So on this side of my hair, you're going to see me apply the heavy conditioner for coilies. It's an amplified hydration as well as nourishment, and then it says that this is great for coily and tight textures, and use it when your hair needs to absorb all that moisture that's coming from the conditioner. Now I do have different curl patterns. I have type 3 as well as type 4, so I was like, I don't know which one I'm actually going to use. So as I said, I applied this one on the side, and it also says that you must apply to wet hair from root to ends. For extra dense curls or long hair, section with the pattern hair clip, which I did do at the end. You'll see me actually use the hair clip. I do have the hair clip right here as well, and I did buy it and I used it in the conditioning process. And it says that you must section with the pattern hair clip while conditioning to ensure every strand gets the love that it deserves. And it also says use the pattern shower brush or fingers to help detangle. Now I also bought the brush as well. This is what the brush looks like. For me personally, I'm not a hair tools kind of person, but I bought it to see how it works. It's just okay. You'll see in the video I just detangled a small bit, but personally I prefer finger detangling, so this is just okay. Something I forgot to mention as well is the microfiber towel that you'll see me use. This is what the microfiber towel looks like. So I did use this, obviously after rinsing my hair off. As I said, this is what the microfiber towel looks like in the packaging, but you see me use it in the video. On the other side of my hair, I use the intensive conditioner for tight textures, and it's for extreme moisture as well as restoration. Now this conditioner is great for tight textures when your scalp and hair need some extra TLC, and you see me apply this as well. I'll put stuff in the description box down below. It says that you must also apply to wet hair from roots to ends. For extra dense curls or long hair, section with the pattern hair clip while conditioning to ensure that every strand gets the love that it deserves. Now I obviously always section my hair. I always apply them in sections. After I applied both of them, I rinse them off, and for me personally, because I have mixed textures, either one is okay for me. The results, my hair was hydrated. Now I left this on for about 20 minutes. It says to leave on for 10 minutes. You can use heat as well. Both of them really gave a great condition. I left my hair, as I said, for about 20 minutes. When I was rinsing it off, my hair was so soft, and I really enjoyed and appreciated that. The conditioners are really nice. In the pattern range, there isn't a deep conditioner, but I can see how you can use these to condition as well as deep condition. I liked both of them, and I think for my texture, as I said, I can use either one. Now it was time for styling, and there isn't a gel in this particular line. They do have a leave-in conditioner. Now this leave-in conditioner for me is the star of the show. It's amazing. I've heard amazing things about it, and the hype is real about this leave-in conditioner. I sectioned my hair and this melted into my hair like butter. This, guys, is the real MVP. I cannot rave enough about this. It glides through your hair. The slip, the way it coats your hair, the way I enjoy coating it, amazing, amazing, amazing. So what I did was I applied this in sections all over my hair, and then I added the oil. There are two oils. There is the jojoba oil as well as the argan oil, and I got the jojoba oil. This is the Pattern jojoba oil hair serum. It promises to boost moisture for hair as well as scalp. This is amazing. It says use sparingly. I think I spritzed about 4 or 5 on either side of my hair, and I just put it over the conditioner. This over here is great for curls, coils, as well as tight textures when your hair and scalp need that heavenly moisture. You can also use this as a scalp treatment, which is amazing. I really like this, and I also like the fact that it comes out in a pump. This is really, really good. I enjoyed it as well. I want to go back to the leave-in because I kind of went onto the serum, and this is great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your hair needs lasting hydration as well as definition. And this for application says apply to soaking wet hair. Now I didn't apply to soaking wet hair, I just applied it on my damp hair, but my hair was wet enough and it was amazing. I get the application when you do things on soaking wet hair. For me it doesn't always work that great, so I applied it the way I know how to manage my hair. And it says this is mixed with a little bit of magic. Our leave-in conditioner seals curls with the lasting moisture lotion packed with nutritious oils to combat dryness, while also providing a soft hold for curl pattern and definition. Your hair is left hydrated and ready to face the world. I do have the entire pattern range in my hair at the moment. My hair has never been this soft before. I've used products, but the leave-in and the oil, the softness it gives, guys, amazing. I am impressed with the line, especially the leave-in conditioner and the jojoba oil. That combination together, absolute magic. So you've made it to the end of the video, and now it's time for the giveaways. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be giving away on YouTube, what I'm going to be giving away on Facebook, and what I'm going to be giving away on Instagram as well. And also I'll tell you on YouTube what you need to do to basically win this prize. I'll start off with showing you what is the giveaway. So on YouTube I'm going to be giving away the brush in its packaging. This is the Pattern brush. If you're somebody who's looking for a great hair tool, this is going to be amazing. I'm also going to be giving away a really small conditioner. This is the medium conditioner for curlies. It promises to hydrate as well as nourish. I'm going to put the size as well. This is the small one, guys. I know they have bigger sizes, but this one's going to be on the YouTube giveaway. I'm also going to be giving away the jojoba oil here on YouTube, which I absolutely love. It's a hair serum. And the last thing I'm going to be giving away, it's still in its packaging, is the hair grip as well. So on YouTube, all you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and also drop a comment down below on what your thoughts are of this particular product here on YouTube. You've watched the video, you've seen me use all the products. Tell me what is your favorite product and what you think of this line, Pattern Beauty by Tracy Ellis Ross. So guys, I'm just holding up 2 of the 4 products from Pattern Beauty that you can win from the Coil Factory. This is my own personal giveaway. I'm gonna repeat it again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also down below comment on what is your favorite product as well as what you think of the brand to win this. I'm gonna put all the details for the competition in the description box. This is gonna run until Sunday. I'm gonna announce the winner on Monday. It's a very short giveaway. Today is Thursday. You're gonna have Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's gonna close on Sunday. Monday I'm announcing the winner. If you want to enter on Instagram, why not? Because I'm going to be giving away these 2 on Instagram. These are much bigger products than the one you've seen on the YouTube giveaway, but this is what I'm going to be giving away on Instagram. You need to subscribe, or rather follow me on Instagram. Go to my Instagram page. All the information is going to be there on whether you need to repost, follow me, drop stuff in the comments. So this is what I'm giving away on Instagram. This is the heavy conditioner for coilies. It promises amplified hydration and nourishment. This is very big, hey. And the other product I'm giving away is a little bit smaller than this one, but this is the Hydration Shampoo that promises to gently cleanse as well as hydrate. So these 2 on Instagram. Head over to my Instagram page. And for my amazing Facebook family, you guys are going to get to experience the entire pattern experience because I'm giving away 3 products. Now these are the small ones, they are the sample sizes, but on Facebook you can win. This is the intensive conditioner for tight textures. You can also win the amazing leave-in conditioner that I absolutely love, and you can also win the hydration shampoo. So on Facebook, if you enter, all the details are going to be there. You're going to be able to cleanse your hair, condition it, as well as use the leave-in conditioner, and win all 3 on Facebook. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the South African perspective using, an international product by Tracey Ellis Ross. It's Pattern Beauty. Drop your comments down below. As I said, enter on all 3 of my platforms, and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.